how to leave beta programs on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to leave beta programs on Play Store fast and easy. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile and now click settings and then click general and now you need to click this one account and device preferences and then you need to find this one here, leave beta programs. Tap on it and then click leave, and as you see you left all beta programs, and that's how leave beta programs on Play Store. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.